Sir, saan papuntang second floor? Ayan, pupunta kami ng CCF Church. At lahat kasi ba na ako. Ayan, nandito na ako ngayon sa CCF.
We love because He first loved us. And because He first loved us, nag-outflow, umaapaw ang pagmamahal ng Diyos towards sa lahat ng taong nakakasalamuha natin. Bukod doon, sabi dito, with all your heart. Ano yung sabihin nun? When we say with all your heart, what we mean is yung buong puso mo, yung buong loob mo. Lahat ng desires, lahat ng longings, lahat ng ambitions na meron ka, at lahat ng puso mo, prayerfully, magamit mo siya upang ano? Matilaw mo si Lord your God.
Jesus in the darkness over every enemy. Jesus out of heaven as we glory. Jesus.
Want to speak the name of Jesus over every heart and every mind, 'cause I know there is peace within His presence. I speak Jesus.